And inawasha na niko tu sawa. Inawasha na niko tu sawa. Inawasha na niko tu sawa. What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy Kim back again. Inadi representing Mr. Kimani Capital. Manze mambo ijaenda vile nilikuwa na expect, but it is what it is. I still have one more key zone to be broken before I confirm my bias to be invalidated. My, bias for price coming all the way down. So we broke past this order block and started to create more imbalance in price right here. Okay, and then we have now come to this bigger order block, which is at 45 to 44k, the middle point right there where we are right now. So let's see, but this candlestick is amazing. How much volume was this? 54. It's still not enough volume like what we had from like this candlestick right here. It was around 47. About this 62, yeah, 62. So let me see, let's see if we have enough volume to take us all the way to the 50s and make even higher high, which would be amazing. So to make us an opportunity here. So it's good to be reactive in the market where if your bias is invalidated, you change very quickly. But as long as we're still holding this trend line, we are still on track. I still see us coming to grab all this liquidity down here before it go up. But hey, who am I to decide? I'm not a market mover. I'm not a market maker. I'm not a market mover by any means. Let's look at the daily. The daily is super bullish, super bullish. We're still stuck there. I don't know if we're gonna come retest here first these equal highs before we go up, because you can see clearly we have not yet come to retest here. There's a lot of liquidity also here for the longs, right? Yeah, and we need to grab that. And our crypto bubbles is telling us that everything is booming. Axie Infinity is booming. Everything is booming. Hex right there. And yeah, let's collect some diamonds. Why not, right? Inawasha na niko tu sawa. Inawasha na niko tu sawa. Collect some diamonds from CoinMarketCap. You ask me, Kimsey, so why collect diamonds? Do they have any value? And I'm like, yo, if you know anything about airdrops in this space, airdrops are one of the biggest things that happen for early collectors. I want to be that early collector. I don't want to be that guy who regrets he never collected some candies when they were being given out for free, cost you nothing, right? So still at 2 trillion capitalization, 102 trillion 24-hour volume, 102 billion, 40% market cap dominance. It is dropping, meaning alts are in control now. I'm gonna boom on Bitcoin pumps. Yeah, and the volume, 24-hour volume has also increased. Let me see if we have new players on top. Yeah, we have Ethereum Classic, we have Cardano and Solana taking charge in volume right here. So my Luna is already dropped. So right now, if I'm trading, I'll be looking at Ethereum Classic, Cardano, and Solana, right? Yeah, and if you come here to our checklist, let's see how Solana is doing. 1.9%. It's Cardano 2.5%. Amazing gains. That's so I'll be like, let me chat Cardano because I know Cardano has broken out. Yeah, look at that. Nice and easy. Cardano is broken out of this long-term trend line right there. That's why we're seeing it. Boom. So I'll be looking at this one. Of course, if you close above this high right here, 1.26, we are going to see a higher high, which is amazing. You can see that volume, and that's amazing. Made this week came covered all those positions. Then boom, right there, up thrust. Really nice breakout. This is what we want to see when a token is starting to get bullish. This is amazing bullish momentum, and this is the daily time frame. So amazing, amazing. Even when you go to the weekly, you can see that deal right there. Boom, engulfing all of this. Amazing. This is great. This is great. Amazing, amazing. Yep. So what's the funding rate? Right now, you're talking about positive funding rates. Of course, longs are paying to be in that position. Shorts are being incentivized to short, which is very risky at this moment. 1 hour bulls are still in control. Right. Let's go to Luna Crash. Let's see what's popping. What opinions do they want to hear from us? NFT communities with great social networks rivaling major platforms. Of course, NFTs are very strong communities. How do you feel? How are you feeling about the crypto market? Of course, super bullish today. How are you feeling about it? Of course, NFTs are super bullish. We have an NFT event today. Second promotion lab today. I'll go with the popular opinion. I disagree. Stablecoin regulation is a good thing. Of course, I agree that that is a very nice thing. Nicely done. All right, you can see my Luna claim is increasing every single day. I'm learning. I'm also earning. Learn to earn to learn to earn. Either way, market drop. Cryptos rise in Russia melts Bitcoin for oil payments. Dogecoin rallies. Wow. Okay, that makes Bitcoin bullish. We must set. Yeah, let me just put that opinion right there. We must set cryptocurrency rules that meet bank of interest. Absolutely, that's bullish because if we see more regulations, we're going to see more institutional investors. We're going to see more big money flowing in influx. Yeah. Do I need a fourth COVID-19 shot? Of course, nope. Unrelated with Tezos, and of course not. I don't need that. Web3 will only surpass Web2 when it comes to less annoying to use. Of course, I agree with that 100% because right now, I mean, even just crypto transactions takes time. It's not an instant. We are used to instant transactions with M-Pesa and such. So yeah, it's gonna take some time, of course. The NFTs coin, this NFT coin popularity with Ethereum will is continuing thanks to Snoop Dogg and Madonna. Okay, ApeCoin to the moon, ApeCoin to the moon. But we said here in this channel, we are waiting for ApeCoin to come to $3 or $5 before we buy it, right? So Mark Anderson, Mr. Brand for MetaBoard due to crypto empire. People are quitting legendary blue chip Web2 companies to create their own startups in the Web3 space because there's a lot of funding right now, a lot of excessive funding. So if you have the know-how, you have the knowledge, you have the know-how, you have the team, and you have a strategy to execute. I mean, right now I think there's excess funding in the Web3 space. So you just need to come up with an idea. That's why you're seeing these major uh, key players, man, in the Web2 space, big companies quitting to start their own Web3 companies. It's just like how Amazon, Facebook, Google started way back. You know, People are now quitting traditional jobs to get to this internet era. Boom, boom. The companies that survive now, they are the biggest companies right now. So the same, these small startups that are starting in the Web3 space right now are very small companies with big ideas, big goals. But then if they start if they're solving a specific problem in the space, they're probably gonna be here in the next 10 years and they're gonna be huge. Okay, everything everywhere all at once. Review multiverse epic Ethereum measuring the potential of this bullish case despite possible correction. Delicium selects Polygon to boost all AI powered decentralized gaming. Wow, so Polygon has some good news right there. Uh, that's bullish for Bitcoin, yes, but I mean they should have put Polygon here, not Bitcoin. NBC International. Russia is considering selling its oil and gas for Bitcoin as sanctions intensify from the West. That's super bullish for Bitcoin. Not just super bullish, but just proves how Bitcoin has become resourceful and how Bitcoin is coming as an alternative payment option other than the normal fiat money. Amazing. Blockchain news. David Beckham joins Metaverse, become digital bits blockchain global ambassador. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, the Metaverse NFTs right now is the hot thing. More companies are getting to understand it, and more the wise companies that don't want to be the next Yahoo or Blockbuster, they want to still be here. They are now, they are adjusting to the new times. Former party organizer indicted for laundering 2.7 million. Wow, cross cut to bear. Wonder and fear, duality of innovation. Dogecoin. That's not English. That's not English. That's not London Stock Exchange. Enters digital assets. Space with store acquisition. Ledger insights. See, stock exchange. They are buying NFTs. Uh, exchanges. Amazing. NFT frenzy seems to be cooling off. Here's why. Of course, NFT frenzy had to cool off. There was a lot of scams, a lot of fake projects going on. We had to let the dust settle so that we get the right projects to get in. Okay. Right now, only the only strong projects are the only OGs, the Body of That Club, World of Women's, Doge Pound. This, you know, the strong fundamental NFTs that were from the beginning and have a very strong community. With Tether, will Tether migrate to Bitcoin blockchain with advances in Lightning Network? Oh, okay. Well, Bitcoin network is slow, man. But with Lightning, it's Lightning. Bank of England is working on crypto regulation framework. That is amazing. That's amazing to hear that. 263 billion Shiba Inu banned since October. SHIB banned rate to keep rising to new feature. Shiba Inu is that bullish? Absolutely super bullish. And that's how I just give my opinions at the same time as I learn until I find an article that's intriguing my eyes. 1.99 million volume, that's almost 2 million volume. We are seeing more social volume, more social engagement happening in the crypto space. I think it's because now we have started now to be bullish. Anytime we start getting bullish, the fear to greed index also adjusts, and also you see more engagement. Now people want now to come in and make money. And this is where now we see huge dumps because whales want to manipulate the amount of shorts, an amount of longs that in the market to be able to cash out some profits, man. So you can see ApeCoin is on top of the list here. Tezos, Dogecoin, Centraland, Cardano. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So guys, make sure you check out Luna Clash. Make sure you have your Luna Clash set. Give your opinions. Make your money, and yeah, learn to earn. Yes. Yeah. If you also have if you don't have Mesari, also these are free websites, man, and they give you so much insight to be able to have an edge in the market, and also just the knowledge. These guys, they aggregate a lot of data from different places just to uh, put them in one place. You can see all the news that we have been listening as well. The same as Luna Clash, but now Luna Clash is more organized, is more visual than Mistari is more, it's more like the traditional index style, which I don't like normally. So, yep. Having said that, guys, make sure you guys have a lovely day. Let's watch Cardano, what's gonna do. Let's also watch this order block, how we're going to react here once we get to if we pass now through this, if we break through these highs, that will also be amazing. Anything happens, I'm welcome. I welcome it, but I still see this possibility of us coming all the way down before going like now really up. So let's wait and see. Cheers, guys. Have a lovely day.